the 234B 45. I've been trying to crack this little puppy for a while, and I think I finally got the swing of these locks. It's pretty much all in the tension. You've got to use a lot more tension on these locks than than I ever thought I was going to have to either. I went in the other day and picked up my 234C, and I must have picked this in about, I don't know, 30 seconds, and I'm near on shit, I tell you. But unfortunately that's about the only time I've been able to get that one, and it wasn't on camera, but sure it won't be too much longer and this one will be on. So there's the 234B 45, and yeah, cheers, have a good one.